Hi, welcome to my channel. Let me explain how SStronics born, a name born from gratitude to parent. The name SStronics is a heartfelt tribute to the founder's parents, Satyanarayana and Suryavthi. As a token of gratitude and respect, the founder, Kola Murali, incorporated their initials, S and S, into the company name. This personal touch reflects the deep-rooted connection between the founder and their family. The addition of electronics to SS perfectly encapsulates the company's core focus. SS plus electronics became SStronics. It signifies the founders' shared passion for electronics and their desire to create innovative solutions in the field. SStronics is not just a company, it's a platform for growth, education, and innovation. The various divisions within SStronics reflect the founders' multifaceted vision. SStronics Education Division, fostering the next generation of tech enthusiasts through educational programs, conducting webinars related to electronic field. SStronics Innovation Division, supporting startups and entrepreneurs with prototyping and early stage development, embedded hardware and firmware support. SStronics Services Division, providing comprehensive consultancy services to clients. Design reviews, suggestions, guidance, verification. SStronics Design and Development Division, offering end-to-end product design and development solutions. Schematic design, PCB design, verification and fabrication complete solutions. SStronics R&D Division, driving innovation through research and development activities. Research in new fields on advanced electronic. SStronics Blogs Division, sharing knowledge, insights, and industry trends through informative blogs. SStronics is more than just a name. It's a brand that represents a commitment to excellence, education, and innovation. By combining the personal touch of gratitude with a shared passion for electronics, the founder has created a company that is poised to make a lasting impact on the tech industry. So SStronics as SS plus electronics became SStronics. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Follow on Instagram.